Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have yet another Tormenta update. Yes, unfortunately the park is still closed, but that is all to get ready for the park's 65th anniversary this year, but we can still drive by to see the ride because a lot is happening and track is going up fast. As we were driving by, I noticed that they've been putting up a lot of track, and as I said earlier, it's going up pretty fast. As of now, they're starting work on the world's tallest Immelmann inversion, which honestly I see getting finished really soon. With them starting to work on the Immelmann, it's cool to see how they are putting this ride together. It appears that they are doing the entry and exit of each element and then connecting them. But this is the closest I've gotten to the drop since it's been completed, and oh my, is this thing tall. I definitely am really excited to ride it, so let me know in the comments, are you excited? But before we move on, we are so close to 500 subscribers, and I do have a little surprise for once I hit 500 subscribers, so please don't forget to subscribe. Now it's time to drive by the staging lot to see what track is still here, and honestly there really isn't that much track here anymore. They have been moving a lot of the track to the parking lot, mainly because they aren't building the lift anymore, so there's more space available. Also, when driving by, I noticed the piece of track for the drop off the mid-course, which is pretty cool. And they were moving track and working today because as you can see, the gate is wide open, and in there you can somewhat see some of the track that they have moved. It is really exciting to see this coaster grow, especially as I have been giving out updates since La Vibora was still standing. Thank you so much for watching this quick dive coaster update, and don't forget to check out all my other ones. Also, thank you to the ones that have watched all the updates, and if you haven't, you can go check out the playlist. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and bye.